Hi viewers, welcome to Kishore Tech gbuzz. Today our theme is about how huge organizations are utilizing artificial intelligence to foster their business. The ascent of generative artificial intelligence, what's going on from YouTube, Google, Swiggy and more. What do YouTube, Uber, Google and more practically speaking? They are utilizing generative computer-based intelligence to improve their foundation. Generative artificial intelligence is extremely popular nowadays, and the absolute most well-known applications on your telephone are now going through changes to utilize the innovation. Despite the fact that it's still a piece unpleasant around the edges and tends to obfuscate up realities, the advantages can't be disregarded. What's more, tech organizations for sure aren't disregarding. The recent weeks have been fairly occupied for the universe of man-made consciousness, with large names in the business like Uber, Microsoft and Swiggy, reporting new elements and items. YouTube company. Generative artificial intelligence has numerous possible applications and advantages for video creation and is as of now being utilized by satisfied makers and such. Be that as it may, YouTube has an alternate use of the innovation as a primary concern. The organization as of late declared simulated intelligence created outlines for recordings, planned to assist clients with picking the most convincing recordings to watch by giving brief outlines through them. These artificial intelligence produced rundowns were presented, however their accessibility is right now restricted to a select number of recordings and is solely open in English. Uber company. Uber, the well-known ride-hailing application, is getting the man-made intelligence chatbot insurgency, together with the advancement of its own computer-based intelligence chatbot that will be incorporated into its application. As indicated by Bloomberg, Uber's chief, Dara Khosrowshahi, uncovered that the stage is chipping away at it at the present time, however didn't determine when the chatbot will be sent off and what its capabilities will be. Notwithstanding, it's probably the case that their chatbot will assist with upgrading client support and showcasing and computerize specific undertakings. Google company. Google is wanting to involve the most recent progressions in generative artificial intelligence to improve AID, the default voice colleague apparatus on most Android telephones. The web search tool Monster has inside declared a significant rearrangement of the associate unit, which will incorporate few cutbacks and an emphasis on huge language model innovation. LLM innovation can answer text-based inquiries with keen and inventive responses and can change text over completely to pictures. Google sees an enormous chance to investigate what a supercharged colleague, fueled by LLM innovation. The fast improvements in generative simulated intelligence are pushing Google to implant the innovation in however many items as could be expected under the circumstances. In spring, Xiao reported changes to the association, highlighting a focusing on a versifier. Bing company. Bing Chat is an artificial intelligence-powered chat tool that allows you to chat with a cordial and keen partner. Nonetheless, the apparatus may not be reasonable for organizations that handled touchy or restrictive data, as it might store and impart your contributions to Bing. That is the reason Microsoft has sent off another form of Bing Talk that gives you more protection. Bing Visit undertaking is a C highlight that accompanies some Microsoft 365 plans at no additional charge. You can utilize it from any gadget that upholds Bing Talk. For example, Bing Visit and the Microsoft Edge sidebar. Microsoft ensures that your discussions are secure and private, so endeavors can talk with certainty, realizing that their information isn't saved or used to further develop computer-based intelligence models. Swiggy company. Swiggy, the food conveyance application, has as of late uncovered its arrangements to present a brain search include that will make tracking down food a breeze. The component, which has all the earmarks of being coordinated into the current inquiry capability on the application's home screen, will utilize generative simulated intelligence to fathom exceptionally unambiguous, food-related terms and questions. For example, in the event that you look for frozen yogurts for diabetic patients, Rather than getting arbitrary frozen yogurt outlets, you will get savvy ideas for without sugar frozen yogurt. Swiggy says that the element is controlled by a large language model, LLM, that can grasp your culinary inclinations and requirements. The stage is likewise working with an outsider to create a chatbot in light of GPT-4 to answer client questions. So viewers, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos.